Hello, friends. Welcome back to math class. So now we're on to part 2. We're still going to be working with our properties of multiplication, and we are going to jump right in. So the first thing we're going to do is talk about our pet store. It's like a mini lesson, and we're going to be writing an expression. Now, an expression is just an equation or a number sentence that explains what is happening in the problem that then you can solve. And we're going to make sure that we're labeling our answers and showing our answers in the correct units, which means like if it's money, we use a dollar sign, or if it's cents, or if it's inches, centimeters. So that's what unit means. Unit just means in what is the number representing. If it's apples, we write apples. Okay. All right. So we're going to go to the first one. Take a second and look at the picture of the pet store. And remember, all of the things that we saw in here, we have all of these arrays, and then we also have some money that's listed. So whenever we are solving this problem, we might be asked to tell how much money something cost. All right, so let's go to the first problem. It says, Isabel bought dog collars for some of the dogs of the Humane Society. She bought 8 collars. Each collar cost $3. How much did the collars cost in all? Okay, so if I'm looking at this, it says she bought 8 collars, just 8, and each of the collars cost $3. So on your paper, you would need to make an array or make a picture of 8. So I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm just going to make a quick array just like this. And then in each circle, I'm going to remind myself that each collar costs $3. Okay, so 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. All right, there's my picture. Now the question says, how much did the collars cost in all? So all I need to do is figure out how many 3s I'm adding here. Well, I know she had 8, and I see 8 groups of 3. We know that groups of means to multiply, so this one would be 8 times 3. And you could use distributive property and break that 3 into a 2 and a 1. 8 times 2 is 16, and 8 times 1 is 8. Put them together and you get 24. All right. And some of you may just know how to add 8 plus 8 plus 8 and get 24. All right. So pause the video, write this example down, and then we'll go to the next problem. All right, so our next problem says, Leon works at the pet store. Today, he's putting together bags of doggy treats. He put 6 treats in each bag. So far, he's made 7 bags. How many doggy treats has Leon used so far? 7 bags are on the screen. Each bag has a number 6. So there are 7 groups of 6. Pause the video and see if you can solve 7 groups of 6. All right, friends. Hopefully you paused the video and you tried it on your own, making an array or a number bond. Using the number line, skip counting, any of those strategies. I'm going to show you distributive property because that's the one that we've been working on the most. 7 times 6. We have 7 bags of 6 treats in all. I'm going to break my 7 into 3 and 4. So I'm going to break the 7 into 3 and 4. And then I'm going to, after I break it apart, and I'm going to pass it out. So 3 times 6 plus 4 times 6. Now I know that 3 times 6 is 6 plus 6 plus 6. 18, that's right, good. So we'll rewrite the problem as 18 plus 4 times 6. Well, if 2 times 6 is 12, doubles, 12 plus 12 is 24. Very good. So we break it apart, pass it out, multiply, and then we'll add, and then multiply, and then go back and we'll add together. So now we need to add these two together. 24 plus 18 is, I know that 24 plus 10 is 34. And then 34 plus 8 more, 42. Okay, so 7 times 6, 42. So there are 42 dog treats. Now remember, the instructions said that we had to label our answers. So you need to write out 42 dog treats. Hi, boys and girls. For this section of our work today, you are going to be working on solving a problem about Chloe the clownfish. So I'll read it to you carefully. I want you to think about it, and then I want you to solve it and put your work in the slide that follows in the assignment. Chloe the clownfish sees some of her friends hiding in the seagrass. She sees 4 groups of 8 fish. How many friends did Chloe see? I'm going to read it one more time. Chloe the clownfish sees some of her friends hiding in the seagrass. She sees 4 groups of 8 fish. How many friends did Chloe see? So remember, you can use repeated addition, distributive property. You can use an array, draw a picture. You show us your strategy. Make sure you take a picture and put it into this blue box that you're going to see in your slideshow in your Google Classroom. All right, friends, thanks for working so hard today, and see you soon. Bye.